Leave me alone. I'm leaving you for the soup.
In this video, we are in the heart of Texas, in Houston, but we're not on the hunt for barbecue. Today, we are gonna try to find the best ethnic food that Houston has to offer. Sounds weird, right? The best globally inspired food, from Vietnamese to West African to Salvadorian. But Houston, we have one issue. There might just be too much delicious food, so we gotta get going. We're gonna start things off with a little caffeine boost, 2 for 1. We're downtown, we're at Cafeteria, which is known for taking Cambodian twist on a Texas staple. So let's jump in and see what they got. Although we can get a traditional coffee, I think we're gonna have to opt for one of these specialty drinks. We got the Mekia Halo, which is a Filipino halo inspired drink, cocoa nib cold brew, sweet coconut ube cream, peanut syrup, milk, and a little Malden sea salt. To pair with it, we got a kolache, but not just any kolache. This one is a beef pho kolache. It's brisket, stewed in beef pho broth, and then wrapped in a milk roll and served with a little sriracha and hoisin sauce. On a hot 98-degree day here in Houston, that halo drink really hit the spot, and the kolache was phenomenal. In honor of the Olympics, we're gonna jump from Cambodian to a few blocks away to France to Mademoiselle Louise Cafe for some traditional French pastries and a nice French latte. I don't exactly know what a Paris breast is, but I've never met a breast I didn't like. So we'll get one for science, get a little coffee, and check it out. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, hazel pop. That's delicious. I like that a lot. The Olympics are gonna be long over when this video airs.
How long are the Olympics?
2 or 3 weeks.
That's about how long your videos take.
I'm like a nice hot coffee when it's 100 degrees outside. It's formed like a little ring around here. Boom, that's good stuff. Hazelnut and almond pastry wins every time for me. That was phenomenal. And then the latte was just a good classic latte. I don't know why we choose to do these videos in these hot places. I'm gonna say it, you're gonna hear it a bunch in this video. I'm already dripping wet. It's so gross. It's like 100 degrees, we're in Texas for some reason. I don't know why we picked this. Next stop brings us to a James Beard nominated spot inside of a food hall in a very unassuming building in downtown Houston, and we're going to taste the heart of West African cuisine. We got the Motherland, which is a coconut curry with black-eyed peas and plantains. It was good, but for 14 bucks, a little pricey. Our next location comes from a chef that was on season 3 of MasterChef. She was also nominated as Best New Chef by James Beard, and the restaurant itself was nominated as Best New Restaurant by James Beard. It sounds like it's gonna be expensive, but we're not paying those prices. We're gonna come during happy hour. We're at the Blind Goat. Let's go check it out. Ashley's starting off with a Thai iced tea, but I opted to get a cocktail. This one was tequila infused with jalapeno, pho broth, and cilantro.
Cheers.
Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's sweet.
Yeah, spicy. What was jalapeno infused?
Yeah. The first dish is something that I don't think we would normally get, but the server said really good things about it. It's called Bon Cot. It's crispy cakes made with turmeric and coconut milk, and then there's pickled vegetables and shrimp on top, and you kind of like build your own little sandwich. So you're doing little pickled veg. Oh, you're putting it on top. So you put it in there. Wrap it up, and then eat it like this. We just make kind of a lettuce wrap, dunk it in this sauce that's kind of like a sweet chili sauce. Soak up, I want to get plenty of sauce on there.
It's crunchier than I would have thought.
If we see any kind of street corn on the menu, we have to get it. So these are corn ribs with Parmesan cheese and sauté, which I don't know what it means. Mom's egg rolls, which are pork, shrimp, and wood ear mushrooms inside, and then they give you a fish sauce vinaigrette to dip it in. I really like these. Ashley didn't really care for the texture too much, but I think the flavor was spot on. We definitely made good work of all these appetizers. I tried to keep the cocktail train rolling and go to a speakeasy that's right down the road, but I got turned away because I have shorts. But look at these legs. You can't keep these contained. So we went to a much more inclusive environment of Dave & Buster's. Played a couple games, worked off some of that food in one bit.
We're gonna jump from modern Vietnamese to Viet Cajun here at the Crawfish Cafe. They're known for mixing Bayou classics with Vietnamese influence. The goal is to get a seafood boil. I want some boiled shrimp, some snow crab, you said. By the way, you're gonna notice it's dark now. When we start filming in there, it's bright. This is all fake. We're filming the intro after we already ate. Just don't say anything. Just play along for a little bit, okay? Let's go check it out.
All right, to start off, we have boudin balls, which if you've ever been to New Orleans, it's a big thing. It's basically dirty rice and sausage, kind of like an Italian arancini, balled up, coated in breadcrumbs, and deep fried. They serve it with a mix of mayo and stone ground mustard, which it definitely needs because they don't have a whole lot of flavor by themselves. Still good though, it's fried stuff, you can't really mess it up that much. For the main deal, we got garlic bread, and I'll show you why in a second. And you ready? I'm gonna dump it out. We got a combo of head-on shrimp, corn, potatoes, snow crab legs, all tossed in a mixture of garlic butter, Cajun seasoning, and Thai basil. We're starting with the easy stuff, the shrimp. And for anyone that doesn't know, proper technique is to pinch the tail and suck the head. Ashley's still kind of learning, but I'm a master at sucking the head. We gotta build a good base because the snow crab's gonna take a little bit of work. I don't know why I chose to go sans gloves. My hands are an absolute mess. I think I went through at least 100 napkins. Ashley's doing pretty good, eating clean over there. I'm using the garlic bread to sop up some of this sauce, whatever I can't get with these crab legs. And well, Ashley's struggling a little bit and getting a little frustrated, so we decided the best point of attack was to get all of the meat out first and then build some little sandwiches and eat it with the bread and soak up all that delicious buttery goodness. This, by the way, is not a clean meal. We made an absolute mess, but we polished off every single bit of seafood. And as we were walking out, I don't know what happened. We have been overrun by a bicycle gang, so once we feel safe, we're gonna head out and get some sleep for the night, and we'll see you in the morning.
Our next location is a Salvadorian food truck that specializes in pupusas. Ashley found this place because it's rated 4.9 stars on Google Maps. It is in a busy gas station, and we're filming this inside the car because it is so incredibly hot. Pollo con queso pupusa y yuca frita con chicharrón.
While we're waiting, there's this other truck in the parking lot, so we're gonna get something because all these tacos are $1.
Oh, I gotta eat this in the car because I am already sweating. Got, I don't know what this is, pickled cabbage, pickled onions and carrots.
A little Coke balloon of hot sauce.
Ooh, okay.
That looks good, right?
Change of plans. We're eating this now in the hotel room because it was too hot, even in the car. So, sorry. I dressed it with all the pickle goodness. I left the hot sauce off for you, Ashley.
Thank you.
Let's dive in. We got the chicken and cheese.
I thought you got chicharrone.
Oh, wait. I thought I did get chicharrone.
Can we do chicharrón con queso? Pupusa? Or no?
Oh, you picked it up?
What
Like a savage?
There's a fork for a reason. I guess I'll pick it up like you. She did give us chicken, didn't she?
It's not chicharrone. Chicharrone should be crunchy.
It is really good. That's so soft. This is definitely hipster food, but dirt cheap prices. This was $3 for this pupusa.
That's why I found it. It was on the review.
And it's fire. We drove home and it's still hot.
Yeah.
Super good. If you're in Houston and you want a quick lunch, definitely grab this.
All right, let's check out this barbacoa taco. Put some lime on there. A little bit of this hot sauce. Looks pretty good. You go first. Pretty good. It looks fire. Oh, that's good.
For a buck?
Damn.
That's real barbacoa. That's not gringo barbacoa. And the tortilla feels homemade.
Yeah.
Damn. I'm mad we didn't get more of these. They're legitimately one of the best tacos I've ever had.
For $1.
For $1. Ugh. We got to go back there.
Maybe, yeah. Mm-hmm.
This afternoon, I'm on my own. Ashley's got some work to do back at the hotel, so I'm going to bing-bong it around. I'm going to go to 3 places in rapid-fire order. I'm going to get one thing to go from each place, and then we're going to have a hotel room feast.
First up is a place called the KOLACHES shop for some pastries.
I may have had a few adult beverages last night, and I forgot to hit record on the camera, but I hit record on the microphone. I don't know. I'm gonna put a photo up just so you know what the inside of this place looks like. There it is. Now you get the idea. You don't have to use your imagination. I just do a brisket, egg and cheddar, and a bacon, egg and cheese, please. I'll do one of the kielbasas as well. Thank you. And now we're gonna move on to the next place.
I don't know why I can't find parking anywhere, but the next place is Thai Street Food Market. Got the goods, and we're on to the next.
I did get barbecue as one of the spots. I know I said I wouldn't, but I'm in Texas. I can't not get barbecue. That's just against the rules.
I wasn't sure where to go, but Pinkerton's kept coming up as the best barbecue, and judging by the line, I'm in the right place. There's a lot of stuff that looks really good, but I'm gonna stick with the classic. First up on our hotel room lunch food adventure is the Czech Republic. In Texas, you see kolaches everywhere. We had the beef kolache yesterday.
That's so good.
I feel like we needed a baseline of like what a normal kolache should taste like. So I got 3 different ones because I can't just get one. I don't know which one's which. You can pick. Ooh.
That's the brisket.
I want the bigger half. You can have it.
Okay, no, you have the bigger half. I'll take this half.
Ooh, that's good. The bread's super soft. Like really soft, like a potato bun.
Oh my god, I don't know if it's just because we didn't eat dinner, but I am...
I figured these would hit the spot. Not super cheesy, but it's there.
The meat's so tender.
I didn't think we were going to eat all of these, but we're going to eat all of them. I'm going to have a bite of that one.
Not that bite.
Ooh, I can feel just like a little sausage. There's just a little wiener floating around in that thing. All right, let's rip open that wiener. There it is. It's just a little sausage and bread. This place was packed. The line was literally cars. There had to be 20 cars in that drive-thru.
Dude, this is killer.
The last time we came to Texas,
Oh my god, these are so good.
we went to get kolaches, but we went super late, so they didn't have any left at one of the places. Remember, it was like a brewery kolache shop?
Oh yeah.
Might as well take a bite of that bacon, egg, and cheese one.
Did you hear it?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, that looks good, too.
Are we recording still?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bacon, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's salty. Mm-hmm. Damn, that's good. Mm-hmm. The bacon one might be my favorite. Right now. Normally that might be too salty, but right now, hungover, I need my salts. Mm-hmm. It's hard not to eat all of these. But we got more food. Let's get more food.
Okay, because I'm about to eat them all.
Next up, we're going to Thailand, to Thai Street Food Market. When I'm slightly hungover, my go-to is Soups of Asia. And there are many to choose from, but there's one to me that stands supreme. Cow soy.
Yeah, I knew it.
So Thai Street Food Market. Oh, wow.
Whoa.
So somehow all that has got to make it into this cup. And then we eat it as a soup. I wish I had a big bowl. Hold on. All right, so this is how we'll do this. A little bit of nudes. This looks legit. Oh, there's even like a banana leaf on the bottom.
Yeah. Ottomanness.
All right, noodles in cup 1. Some pickled veggies.
No chili in mine, please.
Chicken's good. Nice.
Get some of this big chicken.
Don't get cheap on me.
I'm not. Get the
I'll have more of the yellow. Get some crispy noodles on top.
Yeah, you gotta help with that one. You
And
gotta
some
save
green
that
for
broth for the
color.
rest of those noodles.
Green for color. Freaking beautiful.
Soup in a cup.
I'm not gonna lie, this looks delicious. Oh yeah.
Glad we're eating this in the hotel room, not in the 100 and bazillion degrees outside.
This is only like $13 too.
Ooh.
If you're not a cow soy person, you gotta get on this train. It's like a nice hearty curry chicken noodle soup. Sick, you're hungover, you're sad, I don't know, you're happy.
You're sad, you're happy.
Good anytime soup. It's got crunchy bits, it's got pickled bits, and meat. It literally has everything.
Really
Leave me
now?
alone. I'm leaving you for this soup.
You're fangirling out over there, baby.
I might just walk around the hotel with this cup.
Just sipping it.
All right, moving on to the next. Thai Street Food Market. You were fantastic. Last but not least, for today's lunch extravaganza, if you can't tell what it is barbecue from Pinkerton's Barbecue. Don't give me a hard time for this one. I know it is not globally inspired food, so we're gonna leave it out of the video. Still gonna show you what it looks like because we're in Houston and I can't not get barbecue because I'm in Texas. I just didn't want you to think that I came to Texas and didn't get barbecue. I got some sauces, I got the whole shebang, and I got No, that's not a lot. I got half a pound of brisket. That's a very, very small amount.
He
of
thought
brisket.
he overdid the food so much, we're gonna
Yeah.
kill it all. There's not gonna be anything
There's
left.
not that much left.
It doesn't look as bad once I put
Camera has
everything in the
ADD
box,
today.
but this was $25. So half a pound of sliced brisket. Comes with pickles, onions, pickled jalapenos, some sauce, some bread on the side, and bacon mac and cheese.
Oh my god, it's gonna just fall apart.
That
Look at
brisket
this.
looks good. That wine was no joke.
It's actually good mac and cheese.
With a little piece of bark. No sauce. Oh, man.
Kind of mustardy. I like the sauce.
Ooh, the mac and cheese isn't bad. I'm kind of picky when it comes to, especially, I feel like barbecue, no barbecue place can do good mac and cheese. There's so much that I wanted to get. They had ribs that looked really good, brisket, sandwiches, bananas, Foster bread pudding. I know I almost didn't tell you about it because I didn't get it. It's no Micklethwaite's or Leroy and Lewis, but it is top
Where's
notch
Franklin's
barbecue.
in that line for you?
I don't want to say.
Oh, controversy.
That was a solid
Go
lunch.
in the heat.
You're not in Texas unless you got the meat sweats. So let's go
About
hang
to
out.
happen.
Hang out by the pool. Fill our stomachs with meat and hang out by the pool. I think we got one more good, globally inspired place. So we'll see you at the next place.
The last and final spot is a place called Sierra's Taqueria, and it's cafeteria style, but this is as homemade as it gets. There is tons of good stuff. All the people in front of us are getting menudo. I think we're gonna opt for something a little bit more tame before our flight. Got one of these Joya Colas. I got a huarache with, I forget what I got, some kind of beef on there. And then Ashley got a gordita that is loaded with carnitas. And this thing is stacked to the brim. This whole meal cost us like 10 bucks. Let me know how it is. Maybe we can switch halfway through. Ooh, there's some onions, cilantro on there, cheese. Put a little sauce on that bad boy. And then we're gonna chow down on this. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh my God, look at that cheese pull. And we'll see you in the next one. Also, YouTube thinks you're gonna like this video, so maybe check it out, support the channel. Thank you so much.